नियम कायना ngमखै paringda lona yadaba mongda pot putok pusin tawbabu thingnaba lokhalakhiba khongthang amada Meghalaya da leiba border security force BSF ki kangbuna Meghalaya amade Bangladesh ani ki tainaba ngmkhai dagi lupa lakh tara taruk hengadaba miram da lona thadokpa yadaba polam kaya phagatpa ngamkhre ngarang BSF ki mari suba battalion ki kangbu amana Bangladesh ta puthokina ba honaramba san kunga taret phagatpa ngamauki hairiba sansing adu tungda PPP Muktapur da khusin nakre hari nakal amadana BSF ki chamaga marfu tarahumdoi suba battalion nasu East Khasi Hills district ki international border mayadagi chechang sudana Bangladesh lomda puthokna ba honaramba ake amogi polam sing pikthana yawba gari amasu phagatpa ngamki hari Ladakh ki nopok thangbada leiba line of actual control LAC da haukiba sahi mari makhai da China amadi India gi lanmi ani gi marakta unkhanaba phibam thokraba matung ngarang ihan hanba oina Prime Minister Narendra Modi amadi China gi President Xi Jinping ani gi marakta mai onsin naduna wari sanaba haukre nakalani na ngarang wari sanaba aduda leibak ani gi ngamkhai paringda ing tappa phibam hanjinhanba amaga gi marakta bab tanana afaba mari thamnaba haiba waphamna maru oina khanaki wari sanaba aduda China gi president hai leibak ani asina unariba asida malem gi atopa leibak singna kupna yengba loinana bab tanadaba tholakpa matamda matang sana ningthina loisinaba honaminaba adu tangai fade Russia gi kadanda hojik chathariba BRICS mifam gi mataida luchingba ani na ngarang unakhiba aduna leibak ani gi lanmi singna line of actual control LAC gi mataida mahousagom patrolling chatpagi thabak tawduna makha tana unkhatnabagi phibam thogandaba haiba wafamdasu yanaki Chief Minister Nongthongpam Birena Assam ki Maligaon da leiba Northern Frontier Railways ki Chief Administrator Hitendra Goyal gangarang ma ki Banglo da unakre unaba aduda Manipur da rail lambi amadi masigi infrastructure sing ningthina phagat hannaba honabada wa khanaki hairi Tangkhul Ajik Katamnaulong Haibadi Southern Tangkhul Student Union Amadi Jingso Katamnaulong Haibadi Eastern Tangkhul Student Union Anina Haujik Center Amadi State Anina Kamjom District ki Manung Indo-Myanmar border fencing tawagi thabak paikhatnaba lawriba warep asida yaningdaba phongdoragi Student Union ki loop ani asigi maikaidagi border pillar number 6 amadi 124 manakta border fencing tawnaba honariba thawong asibu yaningdaba ulagli maram asina khudakta border fencing tawagi thabak handokadabani haina Southern Tangkhul Student Union ki President Yarchuicho Kasungna khangalagli nakalamaramda Naga People's Front NPF nasu Nagana tarima mafam sing sokna India amadi Myanmar anigi marakta border fencing tawna honariba khongthang asibu akan mamawda yaningdaba phongdoragli NPF na hairi madudi ngamkhai sambal khadringaida mayorol dagi lairakhiba chap ngamkhai paring khangdolaga thabak paikhat kadabani adu natana hekta ngamkhai sambal khajin bayaroi khage harabasu buwari dagi leraglaba traditional boundary masak hana khangdok kadabani loinana mari leinaba singasu hana paw phawdong narangadabani hairi Manipur amadi Myanmar ga tainaba ngamkhai gi sarukta KNFB ni chingnaba sing amadi Myanmar gi lalolup ama oiriba PDF ki apunba khutpu amaga ngarang Myanmar da leiriba lalolup singi apunba kangbu amaga khut thongnabagi thodokta lona thingkraba lalolup PL gi mioi ama amadi Pripak Pro gi mioi ani laikidre hairi atoba mioi amana Myanmar gi lalolup singa fadana pukibadagi mafam khangdana leiri ngarang ukrul amadi Myanmar ri tainaba lalim haina khangnaba mafam amada awang nompo state singi lalauba khara leire haibadagi mafam adudagi Myanmar gi lalolup sing KNFB amadi PDF ki apunba kangbu amana changsilaktuna attack chatharakhi maikai ani gi marakta pungkaya khut thongnaraba matung PDF ki lalauba ani su sikhibaga loinana PLA amadi Pripak Pro gi mioi ani seki hairi ngarangi khut thongnabada asina nangkhraba mioi sing adugi manungda Captain Gulu amadi Boni sana kauba mioi ani yawi haina thajanari adu moinamak thodok aduda misi mina kaya yamna yaukhibagi haibagi chap chana khangba ngamdri Meghalaya ki Chief Minister Conrad K Sangmana luchingduna ngarang North Garo Hills ta leba Resul Bel Parada Meghalaya cabinet mifam pangthokre ngarang ki cabinet mifam aduda Meghalaya Private Institution Regulation of Admission Fixation of Fees and Reservation Ordinance 2024 amadi Meghalaya Medical College Regulation and Admissions into MBBS course 2024 pass tauki cabinet na ordinance amasu pass tauki bagaloina na Regulatory Board ki mifam amuk hana phamnabasu yanakhi. Pass tawkraba ordinance asi Meghalaya ki governor na ayaba pirakpa ngaikigani. Makha tana USTM haibadi PA Sangma Medical College su athuba matamda hangdokpa hauragani. Masigi matakta cabinet mifam aduna government lower primary, upper primary natraga secondary amadi higher secondary school da Sarva Shiksha Abhiyan SSA gi makhada oja oiba yabagi chahi sangdokpadasu ayaba piki. Masigi matungina masagi chahi nimpuga manga fawada laiba miyoi amana SSA gi oja oiba yagani loinana Meghalaya government logadaba ojagi recruitment exam singda saru yagadabani hairi.
Under sponsored seats of the government of Meghalaya as of today have to sign a form indicating that as and when the student passes the examination and qualifies for performing as a doctor, as and when the interviews are called, we will be conditioned to giving them a job and offering them a job. But having said that, this bond is in operation until such time that government decides to withdraw the bond. You must have seen in other sectors of education, we still have government sponsored seats. Engineering still has seats, then you have BDS still has seats, and we hope that agriculture also still has seats, and we hope that we will be able to maintain the promise to give them a job if they come back to the state. But the bonds of these additional costs that you must have noticed are no longer there. But government continues to sponsor candidates.